Hey you all, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account or how to register right here on ClickUp. If you want to do this, the first step that we're going to do is we go right here to sign up and then we fill in right here the email that we want to work with. So we do right now my email and then we select right here sign up for free. Then right now we already have our email now standing right here. So we are giving our full name. So we do Tommy Flex. Then we create right here a nice password. And then we do right here, not this one, because then you will get a lot of spam in your email and we don't like that. So we do right here, this option right there. And then we do sign up with email. Then right now we need to verify our email. So we go real quick to our email and then we go to the code that they sent to us in our junk. And then we do right here, copy, and we do paste. And there we are. And then now we are getting a quick survey right here. So I'm using for my personal use. That's true. And maybe for creative and this. Now let's say I'm using, how to here. From where or from who. Now let's do YouTube. Now I don't want to do this right now, so we do skip step. Next, next, next. Now he's creating our workspace. And if I'm honest with you guys, right now after this, he's creating your workspace and then you are ready to work. So now he already says we are set to go. So now he's loading right here our page. And there we are. Now we are having right here our ClickUp page and now we can start from this workspace. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.